Friends, all is well. Welcome to our second part of chapter number 14, that is electric current and its effects. In previous presentation, we learned about electric circuit components, symbol and electric fuse and MCBs. Now in this session, we are going to learn about conductors. What do you understand by conduct? Well, in physics, it means transfer of something, and the material that transfers something through themselves from one place to another are called as conductors. That something could be anything. It could be heat, it could be electricity, or many other things. However, here we are interested in electricity. In this context, we will use the word electrical conductors. So now, can we define it? Electrical conductors are the materials that transfer electricity through them, or even more precisely, they are the materials that allow electric current to flow through them. For simplicity, we will call them conductors. So, what are the examples of conductors? We have seen an electrical circuit previously, as I told you in last session. Here a cell is connected to a bulb with the help of copper wires. You can see on the screen that a cell is connected to a bulb with the help of copper wires. So here we know that the movement of electrons is from negative terminal of the cell to the positive terminal. But however, by convention, the direction of electric current is taken to be from positive to the negative one. But how exactly is the current flowing in the circuit, or through which material is the current flowing? It is the copper wire. Electric current is flowing through the copper wire from the positive to the negative terminal. So, what can we conclude from this? We can say that copper is conductor of electricity, since it allows electricity to pass through it. Now, instead of copper wire, what if we use pieces of thread in the circuit? Well, will the bulb glow in that case? No, it won't. Why? Because the electric current cannot flow through a piece of thread. Such materials are called as insulators. So, insulators are the materials which do not allow electric current to flow through them. Now, let's discuss conductors in a bit details. Besides copper, what are the other materials that conduct electricity? Almost all metals conduct electricity. Silver, gold, aluminium, iron and mercury are few other examples of metals that conduct electric current or electricity. If we replace copper wire in our circuit with aluminium ones, then you will find that the bulb is still glowing. This means that aluminium allows electric current to flow through it. In fact, this area of bulb, which is highlighted on the screen, this area of the bulb is itself made up of metal. Hence, if we connect the wire anywhere in this region, the bulb will still glow. It transfers the electricity to the terminal of the bulb and inside. We can actually test any object for conductivity. Break the circuit from anywhere by cutting the copper wire. Now at this point, I want you to notice one thing. Look at this circulated region. This is the circulated region on the screen. There is nothing present in this region that can transfer electrical energy from the one side to the other. But there is air in this region. So, what can we infer from this? This tells us that air is an insulator. It does not conduct electricity. Take any object that you want to test. Say an iron nail. Tie up both the ends of the wire to the nail and see if the bulb is glowing or not. If it glows, then it proves that the material that our object is made up of conducts electricity. Here the current is flowing through the iron nail, so our circuit is complete and the bulb glows. So this proves that iron is a conductor of electricity. Do you know that the human body is also a conductor of electricity? In fact, it's a very good conductor. This is the reason why we get an electric shock if we are not careful. The electric current flows through a body towards the earth. Now, what are the materials that do not conduct electricity? Materials such as plastic, rubber, cotton and wool do not conduct electricity, so they are insulators. For instance, instead of an iron nail, if we connect a plastic straw between the circuit, then the bulb will not glow because plastic is bad conductor of electricity, or it is also called as insulator. So students, here we completed our topic conductors. We'll meet in the next session with new topic, that is magnetic effect of electric current. Till then, goodbye, take care.